Hey guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dextersworld channel. I'm so glad today because this is the day for me to visit the farm because it's a Sunday, and also we have an ample time to interact with our staff and determine what's the problem and what needs to be improved, what needs to be addressed. And there are many problems actually. One of the things that shocked me when I heard the news about this thief coming over, and was not successful of course because it was chased by the dogs, and I'm happy about this, but we have to address this issue. Maybe we have to improve the perimeter fence. And today, I'm also quite hesitant because I received a call asking me to sell them 20 pairs of ducks. These ducks are all layer ducks, and I am really very hesitant because I have tried my best to raise them in order to lay their eggs. And now that they are adults and they are already laying their eggs, someone asked me to buy some, 20 pieces or 10 pairs. But I decided to sell because the intention was very good. Actually, the buyer is a military official, and he is going to give this to the rebel returnees, meaning those rebels that surrendered to the government. They will have some form of livelihood. I decided to sell some 20 pieces. I just closed my eyes with this decision. I have to do this because this is in a way that we can help address the insurgency problem, and also to encourage people in the hinterlands who are taking up arms against the government to, surrender and make their own livelihood. And maybe this duck farming is one of the things that they can consider. That's why I'm giving them breeders. I'm selling this, of course, but at a minimal price. So this is my contribution to the emerging problem about the insurgency here in our place. So you will see here that we have so many Madre de Agua, and I would like to inspire you once more to plant this Madre de Agua because this is very helpful in the diet of our animals. So I intend to give this to our ducks today, and you will see that this Madre de Agua are just very available in the vicinity. Just this morning, I asked my staff to get some leaves of this Madre de Agua, and of course we will save the branches because these branches will be the ones that will be planted, and they will multiply very easily. We have started free ranging our ducks over there. There is a vast area over there that could also become the good source of food for our ducks because there are so many kuhol, there are so many snails. And during daytime, we're allowing the ducks to go there. We actually cut half of the expenses for the food already because they can already eat the snails. Actually, they're going there right now. And I also have provided some lagoon here. This is a water coming from the deep well, and we're regularly putting some new water so that it will drain over there. The water here is clean. So the ducks are already there, and we will go there, we will assess the situation outside. So you look at the ducks, some of them are already there. So during nighttime, they will learn to go back here and secure in the barn right there, and they will lay eggs in the morning. So we are now here inside the cage of the geese. We will check their eggs. Okay, come on, let me check if you already have chicks. Okay, don't bite me. Wow, have how many eggs? Oh, she's sitting on how many eggs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 eggs. Sorry. Hello, let me disturb you. Let me disturb for a while, just for a while. Just for a while. No, please. I'm not. Ouch. Oh, I'll just check. Okay. Wait. Whoa. How many eggs do you have? Ooh. I only have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eggs. Oh! Ouch! Ah! Okay. It's alright. And you know, guys, we have here a special kind of African lovebirds. They're the opalines, and we've been very anxious about mixing together the Alps 1 to Alps 2, the non-eye-ring to the eye-ring, and this is our way of addressing the issues that you have raised. And actually, we have here now this pure opalines mixed together, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pairs of opalines, and they are our future breeders. You will note that we have here extra cages. This is intended for the cockatiels. We already have these cockatiels, and we are processing now the papers because it will not be sent to us without, of course, the permit from the government. So it has to be legal, and the legality of it is determined by the papers, the registration of the breeders, and that's it. So we will possess that, birds legally. So these are the cages that are intended for our cockatiel, and this was my promise before, that we have this integrated farming. We have birds, we have this goats, chickens, ducks, quails, and now we have this cockatiel. And in the future, we're aiming also to have this Indian ringneck birds, this big birds that we can own legally, of course. That's why I'm really very inspired to do more about farming, because it's an integrated farming that gives us joy and peace in our hearts, especially if you're a hobbyist. Wow, we have some eggs right here. I have 2 eggs. I don't know if the chick is already big. What about this one? Whoa, the baby is here. Very nice, baby. Come on, baby. Wow, the firstborn is here. Wow, you see this one? This is the firstborn of our African lovebird. Oh, very beautiful. See that? Oh, very cute. Oh, do not fly. No, do not escape. Oh, don't be afraid. Wow, very nice. Out of the 5 eggs, only 1 had been hatched. Well, it's all right, because this is yet on the adjustment period, and I was told that during the adjustment period you cannot expect to produce very massively. I'm aiming to hand feed some of them in the future, Thank you. We have another eggs, batch of eggs right there. Many eggs actually. About this one, we have one egg right here. And right here. How many eggs? No egg. We have 3 eggs right here. How many eggs here? No, no egg. Wow. And I can say, guys, that between the parakeets and these African lovebirds, it's the parakeets that can really massively multiply in just a short period of time. And this African is quite difficult, but we are producing it. And the African lovers can consume less food compared with the parakeets. The parakeets really are consuming plenty of food. And I'm so happy that we're making good out of our business of raising these parakeets. We already have made several harvests. Per record, we already gotten some 135 heads of these birds since we started just a year ago. I think that was less than a year. That was in April of 2021 when we started this parakeet breeding. And you will see that we already have some good color mutations of our parakeets. You will see that we already have this rainbow, we have this pied, this yellow and green combination, and it's good. And they are really very easy to take care of because they are eating so much, and they are also eating even this different types of leafy veggies like malunggay, moringa, and this water spinach. And I would like to also make an update about our catfish and our fish right there. We are now on the process of making some digging holes, because we will now produce the live bearers very massively to also augment our income here in the farm. So we really need to augment our income because we're feeding a lot of animals, and this entails big budget. By the way, guys, before we're gonna go to our fish ponds, we have here the breeders of this Rhode Island. You will see that these are the new batch of chickens that we have here, and we're preparing this for another breeding season. And we are actually doing some deworming. Deworming of our chicken is really very important. We have to regularly deworm them so that they can also give us good produce. See this one? These are the selected hen pullets of this Rhode Island. They are now about to lay their eggs. So the method of breeding that we have adopted that it's effective is by putting one rooster in a single pen with 6 or 7 hens. And this gives us good eggs, fertile eggs. We are actually now making some good harvest of the eggs every day. And this is placed inside the incubator, and we're selling the chicks to the public. And we already have released thousands of eggs and even thousands of these chicks. And now we will go to the next topic, which is the live bearer fish. You will see here. Come on. These are our native chickens pen. Oh, they will lay eggs right there, and then we will collect that every morning. And by the way, these are the ducks that we are going to release. So this is what I am telling you. We have to release some breeder ducks, and for the start of the livelihood of this rebel returnees. So we will go there. Come on. So we have now how many holes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes. And we're aiming to complete this one right there for our live bearers. And you will see that the live bearers are here. They're very healthy. See, they're already fat. You recall last time when we released the live bearers over here, they were so tiny, but now they're already big. And the catfish that are here are also now big, and we are scheduled to harvest, to gather them and put them in the bigger pond, the mud pond, so that they will grow big. Actually, we have still yet to harvest another batch of catfish, plenty of them right there, and that would be the next content that we are going to present to you. And Gino is here. Gino's so big. Can I hold you, Gino? I missed you, man. Gino, I missed you, really. Really missed you. Do not kick me. Do not kick me. You see, you're so big and fat now. Okay, Gino. I'm watching his feet because he can stomp me. They can hurt me. Gino, come on here. Oh, I love you. And I already have contacted our supplier much nearer, and they're willing to sell to us. Some pair of ostrich. Maybe in April we can already have another batch of ostrich. Oh, I love you, Gino. I love you. I really love you, man. Okay, embrace. Oh. I'm so sorry that I cannot find yet your partner. Oh, what happened? See? Wow. You look at the camera. You look at the camera. You look at the camera, it's there. No, this is not the camera. The camera is over there. You see? He likes to eat moringa, this malunggay. So we are here at the cage of Ariana, and I was told that Ariana has just eaten the breakfast. So we cannot feed Ariana. And this behavior indicates that she is very full. But she's already big. Actually, I estimated her to reach now around 26 feet. And has a weight of more than 50 kilos. So I took care of this snake for 15 years. And I'd like you to look at Wilson over there. There's a lizard. That's also the culprit of eating much of our chicken. And the reason why we cage him, because Wilson is really very naughty. He can consume one big rooster. That's why he is caged. Wilson, you're listening? You have so many scenes in this farm. Just kidding. We are doing this in order to encourage people and to open the minds of the public, especially our viewers and subscribers, that life can be easy, life can be productive if we will think of ways on how to do it. And farming is one of those things that you can do. If you are into it, well, you have to discover. Maybe you have idle property, or maybe you have some capital to start with a small farm. And what's good about doing farming is the fact that we can also provide food to other people. Instead of, saving our money in the bank, maybe we can invest some of those and then produce food so that other people could also benefit the farm produce that we have. So these are the things that we can tell you so far. I hope you will continue to like and share our videos. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, may we humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we're uploading videos every 3 to 5 days only here at Dextersworld.